How to fix Snapchat music. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will search for Snapchat, and when you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. And on storage, here go to clear data, click OK and go back and click go to first tab, click OK and go to update your snap again, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.